Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to turn on focus mode in Windows 11. First just open settings, just go to settings, and then next just on the left side just click on system, and then next just choose on focus, this one, focus options. And then next in here you can set how long you want to focus by adjusting the session's durations over here. Just adjust it as you like, and then below that you will see several options that you can enable uh, during the focus session. Like you can turn on do not disturb, so notifications won't pop up, and then you can hide uh, flashing on taskbar, and also hide page or little notifications number on the taskbar icon. And then you can also choose to show the timer in the clock app so you can easily keep track of your sessions. And okay, and once everything is set, just click on start to activate the focus mode like this. And then next, when you're done, simply just click on stop to turn it off like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. A quick and easy way to reduce distractions and stay productive on Windows 11. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.